Increase the extensibility of your Brightspace learning environment by using external learning tools. This tutorial shows how to create an external learning tool link in Brightspace learning environment. Learning Tools Interoperability, or LTI, is a standard for passing user, course, and organization information between tool consumers such as Brightspace learning environment and tool providers such as remote proctoring tools, wikis, and publisher content. Brightspace learning environment is LTI 1.1.1 compliant. LTI links in Brightspace learning environment are created and managed through external learning tools. To access external learning tools, click Admin Tools and select External Learning Tools. Here, you can manage external learning tool links or tool providers. In this example, we will create a new link. Click New Link. Then, enter a title. Then, enter a URL for the link. This is where users will be sent when they click the link from within their course. Enter a description, if desired, to explain to other users what the external learning tool is and what its benefits are. The Key Secrets section is how external learning tool links are made secure, similar to using a username and password. For this example, we will leave the default settings. In the Custom Parameters section, you can customize the default behaviors of the tool. Select the information you will send to the tool provider in the Security Settings area. Tool providers should provide you with what values need to be on or off to have a successful and meaningful integration. For this example, select Use Tool Provider Security Settings. You can share links created at the organization level with all or a selection of courses. To share the link, click Add Org Units. Select the org units you want to share the link with, and click Insert. When you are ready, click Save and Close. The link displays in the list. From here, you can preview the link. Click the link's context menu and select Preview Link to see what the tool will look like for users. Increase the extensibility of your Brightspace learning environment by using external learning tools.